Okay guys, we've just come off Promise's tour and we are all blown away. In 3 hours, myself and our group have become better farmers. This is Brad, the project developer for Progression, and we're on a field trip for our agri-progress work program. We've come today to visit Promise to learn more about his unique composting method and his amazing gardens.
So we'll start with 4 people. Waste is like this.
Perfect.
Yep. This is stable waste here. Also here with this stuff.
So Promise, how long until this starts cooking?
From tomorrow it's going to start cooking. Then next week Thursday you can tell. Do any planting if you can have compost. Compost is the key. It's better you start with make your own compost. Compost is very expensive. Put your hand here. When we finish, we come here.
Show my brother.
Yeah.
Who's gonna eat it?
Me.
Oh, yeah.
We'll share. I'm a guinea pig at where we went.
If you collected grass and everything, you see, there's some seeds there, you never know. Yeah. So if it gets here, get cooked, everything.
So you won't have weed seeds or?
No weeds. Your compost must be always moisture. You can put your hand here, you can touch it, you can see now everything. You can tell the difference now. You see?
So this is the end of your pile?
Even the sticks are...
Yes, this is end of the pile. So I can take it out from here. Then this one is going to the resting point. So you must stay here for 3 months before you use it. Because now we're still cooking the liquid. It's finishing the process. Now I don't touch this one, I don't turn anymore. But the chickens, sometimes they come in here, you can see they're looking for the worms, then I put it back. Chickens, they're doing a job for me. They just put it down, I put it back. If you see this one, I have energy for this. You know, when we talk about plants, you can talk the whole day, even tomorrow, no problem.
Even while you're working?
Yes. Now, this one is lower. This one is high. If you're harvesting, it's going down. Which is, you must add compost, not turning anymore. Yes. You take the whole day, you do that. You don't have to do that. Nature must do their own things.
Okay. 21.
Yeah, 21 days, then you harvest. Yeah.
Yeah,
lettuce. You know, you can talk with plants. Serious. If you come before the sunrise, you know the plants, they like a human being. These holes we have, in the morning, they open. 1, 2, 3, 4, you put beans. Because it's a spinach here, it's beans there. Then you put beans this side, it's like a draft. Then I touch the soil, I open here. Then I come here. See? It's like 30 centimeters apart, okay? Put your worm casting. Also, you have to know, all the plants, they grow through winter. When it's spring, they just sprout.
This is the first time I see this kind. Really? Reddish.
Not me, they're working for me.
Oh.
You see? It's very nice. Whatever you plant here can grow. It's flowering.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, let's say maybe 80% plants like veggies, if they grow through winter, when it's spring, they just make seeds.
Yeah.
Because they're happy, they've been freezing, you see. Then we take the thatch from the roof, we put it here, and the branches, as you see that one. Then we put a lot of stable waste.
We've got all of this stuff at the farm. Amazing.
Something like that. You see? It's dry on top, but if you scratch here, you can see it's wet. You can see. And it's a lot of worms, which is the good sign. You can see the soil, it's healthy. Need time to harvest them. It's very sweet.
Incredible knowledge coming off what is actually quite a small space, using a tennis court and maybe the area of half a tennis court. Just incredible growing knowledge and composting knowledge. Totally amazing workshop and program put on by Promise.
It disappeared.
Problem.
Yum, 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 yum. Num, num.
Yes, 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 yes. This is where life is.
Style. Style is the answer to everything.